Welcome to Business Bytes. I am Godfrey Mutizwa. The JSE was down nearly 1.5%, closing at 27,175 points. We spoke to Dennis Dykes, senior economist from Nedbank, looking at the retail numbers for March.
We're starting to come off a very low base at this point, so you will see retail sales figures going up. And I think, if you look at the quarter-on-quarter numbers, that's projecting a much better sort of figure, 3.5% sort of territory. So that indicates that the momentum is starting to build. That's taking the seasonally adjusted figures into account. Having said that, obviously what retail sales are feeding off is lower interest rates, better confidence, those sort of factors coming through. But the employment situation remains weak. So
171,000 jobs lost over the first quarter, 25.2% unemployment rate.
So that reduces the potential to see, bonanza season ahead of us.
The Nigerian market ended the day flat at 27,437 points. We spoke to Nwabeze Okone from UBA, looking at the Naira weakness.
I think you might tend to see some little ground lost, albeit not on a steep basis. Most probably would happen on a gradual basis. But outside of that, I actually would might want to say that this current demand, it might just end up being a temporary thing. We actually want to watch it out, wait it out to see how it portrays for the next week's auction. Then we can say, okay, a trend is actually emerging of the demand at the central bank window.
The NSE 20 ended the day up by 1/3% at 4,299 points. We spoke to Eric Masau, an independent analyst looking at Safaricom and Equity Bank driving the bourse.
We were up slightly. Obviously, the big attractions for the day were Safaricom and Equity Bank. The two actually launched a money product, a banking product yesterday, a mobile money banking product, which is quite unique. And to say we saw lots of trading coming through that. Equity was a major gainer, and on the other side of the trade, we saw Reavi Pingo issuing a profit warning, and it was the main loser of the day.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.